Ma'am, you have a little something there on your chin. Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is another pink fairy moat high ba. And that is for my viewers, my 0.01% viewership in Vietnam. So yes, this is a Pink Fairy video. We have not caught up with her in about a week because she did go on her little trip to Tennessee. I did not cover any of it. If you want to see some of that, go to Pink Fairy's channel or check out Karma 101. She did a few videos. But this is a cooking video from Pink Fairy, which I love watching. And this one is a carb on carb crime. I will say the positive. Thank goodness she's not eating out. She's not eating fast food. So there is that. And also she has some fresh veggies from the garden. And this is actually called Salad from Our Garden / homemade cooking / vlog. You guys know the drill already. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Appreciate that. As well as I do have memberships if you want to help the channel.
Go back to my channel.
Let's get into it.
We are home. It's 5:30, so I'm making some dinner. So anyways, I got the chicken ready. I'm getting ready to wash all this beautiful lettuce from our garden. Look at the spinach. It turned out really good. So I got some spinach, some regular lettuce. I'm gonna make some potatoes with it.
I guess that's romaine lettuce. I don't know. I don't know why she didn't throw the spinach in the Alfredo sauce. I would have done that because spinach really, it wilts down to nothing and you're not going to taste much of it. But yeah, potatoes and pasta. Why? Why type 2 diabetic? Why?
And chicken Alfredo. I think I said that. But just in case if I did. So yeah, it's Friday. We got home yesterday and then I didn't film nothing on yesterday because I had so many videos. Long drive home. All the way from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, drive home. So anyways.
Also, just a quick observation. I don't know if the Smoky Mountains are actually smoky, but she sounds extra raspy, extra breathless. I don't know if she went on vacation and she smoked more than she normally does. And by smoke, I mean cigarettes, because she has admitted she does smoke.
That's what I got going right now is dinner. And I want to show you guys this harvest off our garden. Got our potatoes on. I got the chicken. Almost done. I think it's almost done. I think it is done pretty much. For it, which one? This one. I don't usually use this back burner very much. Broccoli to go in it. Nice and done and salted and ready to go. I got the lettuce all washed. I'm gonna tear this down some and because that's just too big to eat for your salad. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Oh, I still see dirt on it. I gotta wash this again.
So I don't know why she doesn't show us harvesting this stuff from her garden. I'm not gonna doubt that this. I think this is from her garden. Last year is a little sus. Just the amount of dirt on it. You probably do have to wash it or soak it to get all that grit off if it's fresh from the garden.
And then I think I got some meat in there. I'll cut up. I ain't gonna throw it in because this is a lot of lettuce. You know what I mean? Because make us a salad, tear it up. That's how I'm gonna do it, I think. And you can tear your own up however size you want. And then I'm gonna mix all this in together once everything gets done. This is the sauce I'm using, the Alfredo sauce I'm using from Sam's. Got this from Sam's. So that's the kind we're going to use. Ooh, yummy. Yummy. It's actually,
Okay. I'm not a fan of these jarred Alfredo sauces. Now, I heard this one is better, but I don't know why it just tastes bland to me. And I find it easier to whip up like a quick bechamel, equal parts fat and flour, your milk or your cream or whatever, and then you can control the sodium and everything else. So this is low carb, so she's going for that obviously, but does have quite a bit of sodium, 380 milligrams, and that's for a quarter cup only. Also high in the saturated fat and the cholesterol. So we all know you're on the cholesterol meds, Pinky.
Really low carbs, the sauces. It's the noodles you gotta watch. So, yeah. So that is
The noodles and the potatoes that you're having. You have to watch.
going to be our dinner tonight. Of course, like I said, when I start mixing, I'll show y'all. For sure. Chicken is done. I got it all already. It might look kind of dry, but that's how I like my chicken. A little bit.
That looks drier than Grandma's pasta salad. I'm sorry. I don't know if she had the prepackaged chicken, but probably, and I'm not saying it's right or wrong. People cook how they're going to cook. I probably would have just taken a whole breast and put it on the grill or put it in the oven with some seasoning, let it rest a bit, and then chop it up and have it nice and juicy. But wow, I don't know who asked for their chicken dry. Leave a comment down below. Yes, I would like my chicken extra dry, please. Thank you.
By the time we get the sauce and all that in there, it's going to be yummy. You guys, I know you can't see me real, but
We can see ya. Perfect.
Some of these noodles in here. Just a few, and then we'll dump the sauces. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to need all these. It'll be way too much for us, I think. Way too much. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then that's all. Pour it in. Good.
Oh, so she's not even heating up the sauce. She's, I guess, just using the residual heat from the pasta? I don't know. Usually, don't people heat it up in a separate pan?
We have to have freaking sauce. And I've got Parmesan in there. Fridge too, we could put extra on.
No, you don't need extra. I can guarantee the cholesterol from that jarred pasta sauce is coming from the cheese that's in it and the cream that's in it. You don't need to add more.
We want to. That is. And I always put a little pepper on mine too.
Oh, me too. Love a good pepper shake.
And then I'll pour the broccoli in. Oops, sorry, that was a spatula for the chicken. Pour the chicken in. A few little ones are stuck. Okay, chicken. That's it. Give it a mix and I'll show you. You guys, that's all the noodles, leftovers. Not going to put the whole box in there. No. So that looks pretty good, don't it? Looks yummy to me. Nice, moist. It's going to be good. Okay, we're going to get the potatoes done. I'll show you guys my plate when I'm done. Hey guys, here's tonight's dinner. Lettuce from my garden. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, I'm going to have some cucumbers too. I just forgot them. A little bit of spoonful of potatoes, not many. And then a little bit of everything. A little bit of sauce or Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. Looks really.
All in all, I guess not like a bad plate. Why she has to have 2 carbs, I don't know. Dried chicken, not for me. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm glad we're back with Pink Fairy. She's back from her vacation. I'm going to leave you with her taste testing. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you later. Bye.
That's good.